Hey everyone, it's Becky here. I changed that. Hi Lucius. Slime Crate came in. I think it's a little early, but oh well. Oh man. So admittedly, I might be a little depressed because that's the first thing I see. The warrior figure. I will be selling this, so if you're interested, message. I don't want it. I'm not a fan of the warrior. I never was. No. Ooh. So. Oh. Okay, we're going to the shirt. It's literally just, woo! With Ric Flair's autograph on it. It's literally all it is. So another Ric Flair shirt. Down for that. This is interesting. DX side plate pins. Y'all are going the way of Pro Wrestling Crate. I swear. A Razor Ramon toothpick holder. Oh, and there's there, toothpicks. So we got that. Oh, that's why. What? Oh, okay, so this next item has a story that I've got to tell. So, this item is related to a wrestler that has given me one of my phobias. So, those of you that are old enough, oh, hi Lucius. Cat. So, 80s, 90s, Jake the Snake Roberts always came out with a snake. He is the reason I have a phobia of snakes now. The reason I say that a Jake the Snake Roberts cinch bag. Is that it? Yeah, only 5 items. Why does it feel like there's normally more? So the 80s inspired Ric Flair shirt, Ultimate Warrior figure, the DX side plates, the Razor Ramon toothpick dispenser, and the Jake the Snake Roberts cinch bag. This one's an interview with Randy Orton. Oh. Interesting. Poster. Oh, wow. Okay. WWE Legends poster. Oh, I'm down for this. The next Slam Crate. We're getting AJ Styles. Decided to wear my Alexa Bliss shirt today, with Evolution being Sunday. So kind of sad now that apparently Alexa's not wrestling. So, admittedly, 2 things in this bag that I am not too fond of. It's a cinch bag, but it has a snake on it, and I don't like snakes. The DX side plates, I can kind of see where they're going. I have all the pins. Well, I think I need the Raw Women's. last crate, it was a variant. You either got the Raw Women's title or the SmackDown Women's title. I got one. I need the other. Ric Flair t-shirt's not that bad. There. Well, the Razor Ramon toothpick holder. I kind of like that. Definitely getting rid of that. Don't want it. But funny enough thing, on WWE Shop today, they have the $5 shirts. Wow, I am really shaky. Let's switch hands, see if that helps. Generally. So I bought, let's see, I got a new the black Aleister Black shirt. I have the white one, the fade black shirt. Switching hands again. There we go. And then I got the Undisputed Era shirt. Going to Survivor Series and NXT. Yeah, if anyone else is going, say hi. Don't be a creep. You know, be a fan. Yeah, kind of underwhelmed with this box. It's kind of why I go with Pro Wrestling Crate, like, occasionally. It's okay. This one's gonna be short. That's it. It's kind of lackluster. Not feeling this one. The shirt, the toothpick holder, and the pins. I like that. The rest of it's just kind of meh. Okay. See you guys later.